Hello and welcome. Today I will show you how I create a realistic extension when I have some sort of a false tip. So here I have the Mini Macaron's Chantilly, and I have a false tip here using clear builder gel, and I'm just going to apply a very thin layer over the clear tip to try to blend it in and make it like a light creamy white, just like the rest of my natural tips. So obviously all of our nails are different, but my nails are pretty white, so I can get away with using just a creamy sheer white like this. So I have seen on Instagram that some people like glossy tipped. Actually, she does a really awesome extension. If you haven't checked her out, you definitely should. But she like mixes multiple colors, so she'll mix like a cream and like a yellow and even maybe a little bit of brown or green to like perfectly match, like color match her tip. So I've got the first layer here completed. I'm going to cure this in my little Mini Macaron Finger Lamp for 30 seconds. And the nice thing about this is it can be on like a gel extension like how I have, or you could even do it with like a tip if you have just a tip glued on, or even a full coverage extension. You can do this sort of a realistic extension to match your natural nails with any sort of false tip. So as you can see, I am kind of trying to work the sheerish gel around just to kind of blend it in with my tip and try to get it as natural looking as possible. So for me here, I have two very thin coats of Chantilly, and as you can see, I have a little bit of a divot here, but I'm still going to cure it for 30 seconds in my lamp. And once it's cured, I'll work on leveling out my nail to make it super even. And this is how it's looking, and I'm going to do a layer of Vivid Glam Co. delicate gel to level out the entire nail just so it's smooth, because I do have a little bit of a divot where I added the sheer white on the tip of my fingernail, and I just want to make it so it's super even so there's not a bump at the tip of my nail. And as always, when you're working with gel, make sure not to touch your skin. If you do touch your skin, clean it up with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol. And here I'm just trying to get as close to my cuticle area as possible and get a nice even application over the entire nail. So I'm going to make sure to cap my edges, and I'm going to hold my hand upside down for 10 seconds to create a little bit of a natural apex with gravity, and I'm going to cure it in my Vivid Glam Co. Diamond Nail Lamp for 60 seconds at the 48 watt setting, and that is just following the instructions on the Vivid Glam Co. Delicate Gel. And here's how we're looking. So I feel like it looks super natural, like you wouldn't even know that this is an extension. And obviously it's just on my middle nail, but when I put nail polish on these, I don't even think you would know the difference. So I'm just going to cleanse here with a lint-free wipe and alcohol, and I'm ready to go. So let me know if you're the type to fake it till you make it like me, or you just trim all your nails down. Thanks for watching.